everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a five petal flower using my flat brushes. Got two Amagic flat brushes. One is a 12 and one is a 4, and a fine liner by Westonia. Going to use FolkArt paints, which is what I always use. I'm using Evergreen, Wicker White, Red Violet, Thicket, and Yellow Ochre. Alright, so to begin this, I am going to dip one side of my brush into the Red Violet, one side into the Yellow Ochre, and then just do some quick blending strokes here. I'm just going to get my brush as full as I think I need to have it to start this project. I guess it's 3/4 of the way up the brush is the proper way to load the brush. I get it to where I feel like it's thick enough, and then I proceed. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And basically with this one, you just push it down, swing it around, and pull it up as you come back. If you're doing it and you feel like you need more paint on it to make it more opaque, then go back over it. Because this is a bottle that I will just wash off and do another video with, I'm not too concerned about that. With this type of design though, you could do the first layer before adding the leaves and then go back over it again if you chose to do so. You know, some of the designs aren't as easy to do that with, but that's up to you. Alright, so then I'm going to just kind of move it around a little bit, in and out. I'm not going to have a stem. I'm trying to kind of alter the colors, so I do one with the purple on the outer edge and then the yellow in between, and then some with the yellow on the outer edge and the purple in between. And you can have two of the same colors, you know, touching each other, that's fine. I'm just trying to make it a little bit more interesting by spreading them out some. Now when I turned it, this one daggone it, Amy. Kind of was mixing it up. The whole thing, right? And you can do that too. All your petals don't actually have to be starting and ending with the same colors. And you can make them bigger, smaller, however you want to do it. It's up to you. If you feel like you're getting too much paint on your brush, just scrape some of it off. It's perfectly fine. There you go. And let me throw one more in here. I'm just going to kind of put another one over here. Just kind of altering them. Again, with this, you know, you could go back over it just to make sure it's more opaque than what it's coming out to be right now. That just gives it more durability if you choose to do that. Next thing I'm going to do is pick up the number 4. I'm going to go into the Thicket, into the Evergreen, do my little blending strokes, go into some white, kind of add that in there. And you just do it do it to you feel comfortable. Alright, then I'm going to start down here. I mean, I can start anywhere actually, but I'm doing this kind of a leaf. Just the going in and out, just making it real wavy. And then I can go like that. Then if you want, you can reverse it so that you have the lighter on the outer edge. They don't all have to be dark. We'll go like this. I'm gonna come back in here, do the same thing. Go. And I come out here. You just kind of eyeball it to see where you want to add the leaves. I don't really have like a specific formula, or you have to do this or that. Just wherever you want them. And if you know me, if you follow me, you know I like a lot of leaves rest of the time, so I'm just going to be real careful here not to do too many. And again, none of these are going to have, you know, other than the basic little stem I'm doing here, that's all they're going to have. If you wanted to brighten it up and use a brighter color, you could do that too, because it is kind of dark on this bottle, but that's okay. It's getting kind of too gloppy on the end there, because it might bubble when you bake it. There we go, and go like that. All right, so I'm going to stop with the leaves, and then I'm going to take my fine liner. I'm going to just go into the white a little bit here. It doesn't have to be anything particular as far as, because I'm not going to use it a whole lot. I'm just basically using it to put these in. And just put a little in there so you can pretend to see it. And you could use a dotting stylus, but I don't really want these to be real perfect by any means, so I'm not making them perfect. Alright, here you go. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Prior to leaving, please hit the share button underneath. Share this video on your social network with all your family and friends. I would greatly appreciate that. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.